welcome. Today we are here in Murano. Egidius is gonna be our Murano guide because he's checking out all the places. We came by ferry and we took a daily pass of 25 euros where you can travel with the bus, with the ferry. It doesn't matter, you can travel all around Venice. So it's like a daily pass, so you should take that and then travel on the ferry. Now we are walking on the streets of Murano. This is Murano Museum stop. We got down from the ferry and we are enjoying the beauty of the buildings. It's very much similar to Venice actually, but I actually love the vibe of this place as well. No cars, very calm, very chill.
This morning, you'll have the pleasure to watch our master Damiano work in the glass. He's going to show you the two main techniques in design. The first one is the blown glass. That's the oldest one and the most useful. And then there is an example of sculpture technique that is only shaping without flow. Las principales para producir el vidrio en esta lista. La primera es la del vidrio soplado, la más antigua y también la más utilizada. Y después un ejemplo de la técnica de la escultura. El vidrio que utilizamos aquí es una mezcla que se compone por tres elementos: la arena de silite, el carbonato de sodio y el calcio. Los mezclan y los dejan a fundir entre el horno 8 o 9 horas a 1300 grados. The glass we use here is composed by three elements that are sodium carbonate, calcium, and silica sand. The masters mix and leave them melting inside the oven 8 to 9 hours with a temperature of 1300 Celsius degrees. La demostrazione utilizzamos sobre todo el vidrio transparente porque es el único que se puede extender otra vez al vidrio, es el único que se puede reciclar. Pero para colorearlo simplemente los maestros añaden polvos que vienen de minerales y óxidos metálicos, como pueden ser por ejemplo los más utilizados el cobalto para el azul, el cobre que puede dar amarillo o verde depende de la cantidad, el selenio para el rojo, pero también plata y oro, que se añaden después porque entre el oro solamente vidrio transparente. For the colors, the masters use powders, tiny peaks of colored glass from natural minerals and metal oxides. The most used, the most common could be, for example, cobalt for blue, selenium, the red one, copper, but also silver and 24 karat gold. And another important thing to say is that the ovens are powered with gas because they can reach high temperatures and because the glass, as you can see, needs the fire, the flame to be workable. And that's the final result, anche il risultato finale. Pero, por desgracia, en un par de minutos se larga un romperse. Va a romperse porque el aire libre se enfría demasiado rápido. Teníamos que enfriar el espacio con uno de los hornos aquí, que empiezan con 500 grados y la temperatura baja del espacio durante 24 horas para evitar la rotura debida al choque térmico. Unfortunately, this vase in a couple of minutes is gonna break. And it's gonna break because outside it cools down too quickly. We must cool it down slowly in one of these two ovens where the temperature starts with 500 degrees and goes slowly down for 24 hours, so one day. Let's focus now on the sculpture technique. That's probably the most difficult one, as you will see, because the master has only 90 seconds to shape it before the glass cools down. Como podéis ver, la técnica de la escultura está más difícil también porque el maestro tiene 1 minuto y medio para acabar antes que el vidrio empiece a enfriarse. And that's the final result.
If you spend a small amount.
Wow. Thank you.
Thank you.
Whoa.
Thank you.